Hey girl, so today we are doing I don't know what this is going to be, a chicken pot roast. I don't know, there's something I'm about to come up with. So I got a whole chicken in the pot. We're going to be adding some other things. I am going to add some curry powder. So it's basically going to be curry chicken, to be honest. And I will add in some other ingredients as we go along, but I want to show you what I'm about to start with. This is my new pot that I got that I absolutely love. The size is great for little things like this, but this is a whole chicken we got in there, and I will be back as I add in more ingredients. So this is the first set of veggies we're gonna add. We're gonna add celery and carrots, and I'm gonna also come back and show you what else I'm going to put in there later. But I like to actually have this boil with the chicken when it first starts to boiling, as well as I'm going to use some white boiler onions. So I will be dropping probably about 3 of those in there, and I have, what's that filling there? I have a what is this, shallots. So I'm going to also put these shallots in there, as well as some good old fresh garlic. So I'm about to peel these and put those in there, and we'll be on our way. Okay, love, I have added the garlic, the shallots, and the white onion into this mixture, and we're going to drop it into the pot. So she's doing her thing right about now, and boiling away. So I'm gonna drop everything in here like so, and just let it cook away. Oh, I want to show you this part. This actually goes to this pot, so if I wanted to steam vegetables on top, I could. So I love this new pot, whatever you call it, child, pot. I love it. But anyway, so we're gonna let this boil down. Then we will add in potatoes and potatoes and cabbage, and we'll be on our way. So this is cooked down pretty good. I'm about to put these red potatoes. I know it ain't many because that's all I got, and I ain't buying no more because it really ain't that serious, but I got a lot of cabbage. So I'm going to add the cabbage into this pot. I know it looks full, so I'm going to stuff it in there somehow. I'm going to stuff it in there somehow. You know how cabbage, when they cook down to nothing. So put a little bit in there, let it cook. Maybe then put a little bit more or something like that. But anywho, all this lushness going on. I want the chicken to cook off the bones. Yeah, cook off the bones and stuff. So let's add this in somehow. Wish me luck. Girlfriend, so I forgot to come back and do video footage of this part. However, what I ended up doing was taking the cabbage out and putting it in the pot without the chicken, and it turned out great. This is what it looked like in the end. It was delicious. I will say a chicken is something that you can't go wrong with, girl. You can pop that joker in a pot, oven, whatever, and just make you a good old pot of soup. But I will tell you, this is great to have in the freezer as well for those days when you're not feeling good or you don't feel like cooking or whatever. Sometimes I'll make this up, freeze it, and just pop it out later for dinner, for lunch, for whenever I feel like eating it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, girl.